हो तिसरो उत्सव आमच्या गांवांत जाला आनी आमी रिक्वेस्ट केल्ले मोबीन गुदिनो एकदम ताका चडान चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा बिकॉज आमचे विलेजीन येवन इतले आमचे सगळे लोकांक आनी भुरग्यांक तशेंच 18 to 44 years आहा पळय तांकां मुखार सरोंक एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळी आनी लोकांचो जायतो आमकां हें आहले आमकां बॅकअप आहलो लोकांचो म्हणटालो सराक सांग आनी आमचे विलेजीन हाड बिकॉज 45 अबाव आमचे विलेजीन 5 ड्रायव्ह जाल्ले आनी दीस इज द फर्स्ट ड्रायव्ह फ्रॉम 18 to 44 years वी स्टार्टेड टुडे आनी हांव एकदम हॅपी रिस्पॉन्स पळोवन आतां एक वरा भितर म्हाका 63 ऑलरेडी गॉट वॅक्सिनेटेड and this drive is going to carry for 3 more days, that is 13, 14 and 15 from 9:30 to 4 o'clock, and I am very thankful to all the people and chod korun youth who came out, and being a Sunday today so it's a relaxing day, but I am very happy to see the crowd and I wish them all the best.
Sir, Mr. Awaba.
I only want to say it is a good response and it is a very good step taken by the central government led by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I think it shows the concern for the common man, for the poor people, for the youth, for the women, for all countrymen. And this is something unprecedented for the last 100 years. Almost in a century we never had a pandemic like this. Now with this pandemic, the only way to beat it is being vaccinated. And we should try to have 100% coverage in the end, because Goa is a small state. So we should see that every single person is protected. I want to compliment the doctors, the nurses, all the health workers who are taking real pains to see that the target is achieved, and they are moving place to place, taking a risk unto themselves as well. I think this is the way all of us have to move forward so that it becomes a resounding success, the vaccination of all the people, of all the population of Goa. In the GST Council yesterday was the 44th meeting of the GST Council. All COVID related products have come down, have either the important ones have been exempt up till 30th end of September, and other products which were with a GST levy of 28%, like ambulances, I am giving an example, it has come down to 12. Rest all the products from 12% or 18%, they have been brought down to 5%. There was a misunderstanding that why not zero? If you make zero, there is something called input tax credit. They will not get the input tax credit which goes to the manufacturing of that product. So instead of prices coming down, they will have to load it to the price of the product, and with that mechanism, and prices on the contrary will go higher. So since it is COVID related, we have to get the people out of the pandemic. We have priced it in the GST Council in such a way to offer relief to the patient. The end person receiving it gets the benefit. Now there was another issue. They said why not vaccine, make it zero tax. When 75% of the vaccines are going to be purchased by the central government and given to the state, and almost 90% where the central government or state governments are purchasing it, so tax will go back to the government only. So it makes no sense lowering it. On the contrary, for the 5% levied, 2.5% goes to the state, and we have calculated in the end 70% of the taxes collected of the 5% will be devolved to the state as their share in the tax collected. So where is the loss for anybody? So government has been very careful without having an understanding. Some people initially made a demand that it should be 0%. It cannot be made 0%. As I said, ITC issue is the main issue. They will not be able to claim in ITC, and it will create further problem for them. In the whole chain, it will create a problem.